Bay windows are often chosen for their beauty and ability to bring in natural light, but they can also play a meaningful role in improving home comfort and efficiency. In a climate where managing indoor temperatures is a daily concern, energy-saving features matter. For homeowners in New Orleans, modern bay windows are designed not only to enhance style and views but also to support energy savings and year-round comfort. Why energy efficiency matters for bay windows. Bay windows extend outward from the home and feature multiple glass panels. While this design adds depth and light, it also increases the window surface area. In New Orleans residences, this makes energy-efficient features especially important. Without the right design, bay windows could allow unwanted heat transfer. With the right features, however, they become a strong asset for maintaining comfortable indoor conditions. Multi-panel design that distributes heat more evenly. One advantage of bay windows is their angled, multi-panel construction. Instead of one large flat pane, bay windows spread sunlight across several surfaces. In New Orleans homes, this helps prevent heat from concentrating in a single area. The result is a more balanced distribution of light and warmth, reducing uncomfortable hot spots near the window. Tight sealing between panels and frame. Energy loss often occurs through gaps around windows rather than through the glass itself. Bay windows designed with tight seals between each panel and the main frame help minimize this issue. For New Orleans homeowners, proper sealing reduces air movement around the window area. This helps keep indoor air where it belongs and supports more stable indoor temperatures throughout the day. Improved comfort near window seating areas. Bay windows often create seating or display areas that homeowners want to enjoy. Drafts or heat buildup can make these spaces uncomfortable. Energy-saving bay window designs help stabilize temperatures near the glass. In New Orleans residences, this makes bay window areas usable year-round instead of only during mild conditions. Reducing the need for constant indoor adjustments. When windows allow excess heat inside, homeowners often rely on constant indoor system adjustments to stay comfortable. Energy-efficient bay windows help limit this heat transfer. New Orleans homeowners often notice fewer temperature swings and less need to frequently adjust indoor settings, leading to a more relaxed living experience. Supporting natural light without excess heat. Natural light is a major benefit of bay windows, but too much heat can offset that advantage. Energy-saving features help balance light and heat. In New Orleans homes, bay windows can brighten rooms while still supporting comfortable indoor conditions, allowing homeowners to enjoy daylight without discomfort. Maintaining consistent temperatures. Room-to-room windows that allow heat gain can create uneven temperatures throughout the home. Rooms with bay windows may feel warmer than others. Energy-efficient bay window designs help reduce these imbalances. New Orleans homeowners benefit from more consistent comfort across living rooms, dining areas, and bedrooms. Long-term performance and reliability. Energy-saving features are not just about immediate comfort, they're about long-term performance. Bay windows designed for efficiency maintain their seals and alignment over time. For New Orleans residences, this reliability means continued comfort without frequent maintenance or temporary fixes to manage drafts or heat. Enhancing daily living comfort. Comfort affects how spaces are used. Rooms that stay bright but comfortable are more inviting for everyday activities. Bay windows with energy-saving features help New Orleans homeowners fully enjoy their living spaces, whether relaxing, entertaining, or spending time with family. A smart balance of style and efficiency. Bay windows don't have to sacrifice efficiency for beauty. With the right features, they offer both. For homeowners in New Orleans, energy-saving bay window features provide a smart balance of architectural appeal and practical comfort. By reducing heat transfer, improving sealing, and supporting consistent indoor temperatures, these windows help create homes that feel bright, comfortable, and efficient, day after day, season after season.